Caiming Group. Craftsmanship makes the extraordinary. Innovation leads to the future. Founded in 2002, Caiming Group is the first enterprise in Shandong province that specializes in the production of wood fiber compact laminate board, medium and high density fiberboard, laminate flooring, SPC flooring, and new 3-strip engineered wood flooring. After years of development, Caiming Group has now become a large integrated enterprise group of forest industry in the form of R&D, production, sales, trade, and processing. The group insists on implementing a global and diversified strategic layout and currently has Caiming Industrial Company Limited, Caiming Wood Industry Company Limited, Pasadena Decorative Materials Company Limited, Guangdong Caiming New Materials Company Limited, Pasadena Design Company in the United States, and Salona Building Products Company in Malaysia, and has set up branches in Guangzhou, Chengzhou, Jian, Changsha, and Kunming. At present, Caiming Group has modern plants that cover a total area of 180,000 square meters and more than 100 sets of advanced production lines and equipment at home and abroad. The annual production capacity is 300,000 cubic meters of material base, 10 million square meters of laminated flooring, 10 million square meters of SPC flooring, and 2 million square meters of new 3-strip engineered wood flooring. In addition, the group's factory in Jason Industrial Park, Malaysia, covers an area of 485,000 square feet, with a total investment of $60 million. It is an enterprise specializing in R&D, production, and sales of high-tech products of SPC flooring and laminate flooring, and is committed to meeting the needs of global consumers for home-friendly flooring, with more than 80% of its products exported to Europe, America, Russia, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Australia, and the Middle East. Caiming Group has always focused on the quality of its products and the updating of its production equipment. At present, the company adopts German Perlman mill technology, Italian Emius sander technology, American GTS Company's thermal technology, and German Homag flooring slotted line technology, and has more than 100 sets of world-leading domestic and international first-class professional production equipment, and is equipped with first-class testing equipment, which has laid a solid foundation for achieving high product quality. In order to ensure consistent product quality and provide consumers with better quality products, Caiming Group takes every production step seriously, from the purchase of raw materials to the delivery of end products. In order to implement strict quality control, Caiming Group has established professional labs, equipped with advanced experimental apparatus and equipment, to conduct strict tests on the physical properties and chemical index of various products, monitor the entire production process, eliminate unqualified products promptly, and ensure consistent quality of our products. Because of the spirit of meticulous craftsmanship, products from Caiming Group, especially SPC flooring and laminate flooring, are favored by customers all over the world. At present, the wood fiber compact laminate board developed by Caiming Group includes wall hanging board, physiochemical board, bathroom partition board, cabinet board, and other high-end wood fiber series products. In addition, the group's own brand Pasadena Flooring covers 3 series, namely laminated flooring, new 3-strip engineered wood flooring, and SPC flooring, of which Superwear and scratch-resistant crystal steel polymer SPC flooring, HSPC, is a new type of environmentally friendly flooring developed based on high technology with the advantages of anti-ignition from cigarette, super scratch resistant, super wear resistant, zero formaldehyde, no heavy metals, lead benzene potassium acid ester, methanol, and other harmful substances. Caiming Group has strong R&D abilities and numbers of patented products. In 2016, we achieved high quality, green, and environmentally friendly preparation method of moisture-proof, mold-proof, and low formaldehyde medium and high density fiberboard. In July 2021, our group was awarded the National 10-Ring certification and was included in the Green Procurement list of national government departments. One after another, the award has become a powerful driving force for Caiming's personnel's unremitting efforts. Technology innovates products, service weaves the future, and integrity forges the brand. Caiming Group projects can be tailored to different densities and specifications according to different uses. We also provide customers with a full range of services before, during, and after purchase. The quality of the products and the considerate and meticulous customer service have made Caiming Group's engineering projects blossom in all major cities in China. In view of the future, Caiming Group takes the road of in-depth development by extending the industrial chain and deep processing of products. We plan to implement the integration strategy of the forest industry, gather first-class talent, enhance the image of our brands, build an excellent team of R&D, management, production, and marketing, and aspire to build Caiming Group into the most powerful and competitive forest industry integration manufacturing group.